Let's pick our baon! Kappa girl, left or right?
Right! Yes!
Ito ang sa'yo, at ito ang kay Crystal Maiden na mukha ni Ria Vlogs. Okay, mulat!
Mas maganda yung kanya sila marol.
Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Right. Left sa akin.
Okay, mulat! Kappa girl, left or right?
Left!
Mulat! Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Right! Left sa akin. Baka pa
Mulat! Okay, Kappa girl, left or right?
Right!
Okay, mulat! Okay, Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Right! Lagi na lang right. Parang lagi ka na lang naka-right.
Okay, mulat!
May chocolate. Aka na, balik tayo.
Okay, Kappa girl, left or right?
Right!
Isa lang, kasagta.
Right!
Right. Mulat! Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Right. Iba naman, puro ka naman right.
Okay, mulat!
Okay. Hindi na ako narinig. Ay mo? Okay. Ay mo ah.
Ulit pisado.
Ay mo wala ka ah. Iba ka naman, puro ka naman right. Left naman, puro naman
Kappa girl, left or right?
right.
Mulat!
Okay sa akin! Pwede ka naman mag-left, puro ka naman right. Kaya nilalagay
Oy,
ko ito.
Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Left!
Okay. Mulat!
Chocolate!
Kappa girl, left or right?
Left.
Left? Mulat! Crystal Maiden, left or right?
Right.
Mulat! Kappa girl, left or right? Ano?
Ano nakatulog? Left.
Are you sure?
Oo.
Sure na sure na?
Oo!
Mulat!
Ito mga baon to school. Ito naman ang akin. At thank you, Tito Dose. Kamukha mo